and we're here for any man, woman, or child that is in an abusive relationship or feels that they are.
October is Domestic Violence Awareness Month, and leaders around the Treasure Valley are taking steps to let victims know they're not alone. Counselors say this month is also about informing the community on how to help those in an abusive relationship. Our Tristan Lewis joins us now with how this is happening as the Treasure Valley has seen a significant rise in domestic violence cases. Tristan.
Shira, that's correct. WCA says in the last year they've seen an 84% increase in domestic abuse calls. Now, this June was the highest they've ever seen with almost 400 calls. Faces of Hope says they've seen a 40% increase in clients that they've seen in this past year, and both organizations still feel there are still people out there that don't know they exist.
Biggest thing I hear from many of our clients is that it's the first time they feel like somebody really heard them.
For Beatrice Black, at the heart of an individual's well-being is a sense of self-worth. Working at the WCA in Boise for more than a decade, she's been able to interact with many individuals that have gone through abusive relationships and has seen that self-worth deteriorate.
And to me, that is just a loss for our entire community. So if we're able to help one individual grab onto something and say, maybe there is another alternative. Maybe there is somebody I can talk to. Maybe somebody will understand. Then we've done a good day's work.
That's why it's important to Black to bring awareness to domestic violence to help break the cycles of abuse.
I feel very privileged that we live in a community where people care that deeply and where leaders are willing to basically put their name on something and be counted and stand together.
October is Domestic Violence Awareness Month. This year, Ada County is issuing a proclamation involving all 6 cities to recognize the month.
I hope that it will make a difference if just one person sees this and feels like it's time for them to get help. I love that. I think it also says a lot about our community.
Paige Dinger with Faces of Hope says this month not only shows those who are dealing with abuse they're not alone, but it also teaches others on the outside looking in how to help and be involved.
And so I always tell people that if somebody comes to you, to just believe them and don't judge them, and know that you might be the only person that they're telling.
Both Black and Dinger say this issue has a stigma around it, where people might feel embarrassed or they don't want to face repercussions if they were to seek help. So it's crucial to both organizations that victims know their services are strictly confidential.
I guess what I would say is, what's the harm in asking? What's the harm in making that call?
And while this problem isn't likely to go away soon, Black says highlighting resources and recognizing the work that is going on in the community helps.
We will serve everyone.
So it's safe to say that it's a safe place here.
It is a safe place. And we try to make it as welcoming as we can.
Both organizations have hotlines and services that are free, and they ask that people can help donate or come out to their events to help keep these platforms at the care that they're currently able to provide. To find out how to help or just get in touch with one of these organizations, visit our website, ktvb.com. Shira.
Thanks, Tristan. A lot of good resources there.